Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, like and as well share. Thank you. So in this segment we'll be preparing ogbono soup. So here we have ogbono, which is this uh Kpanla fish, stockfish, palm oil, Uziza leaves, goat meat, yellow pepper with some fresh atarodo, red pepper,
So
stock
this is
cubes
our
and
ogbono.
salt,
In
of
here we
course.
have
So
okpei.
in this bowl we
Blended
have
ogbono, blended okpei.
ogbono.
So
We're
right now I'm
trying
going to
to
mix with
dissolve the
ogbono
ogbono
direct from
by
the
adding palm oil.
crate.
The palm
Palm
oil
oil
wasn't
jollof rice.
bleached, it was just poured into the bowl and mixed. So just watch the process. This ogbono was blended with Ogiri okpei. Please note.
So in here I added more palm oil and it's still mixing. So we'll make sure everything is well blended. The palm oil and the ogbono well blended. As you can see that it's all coming together. So like I said, the ogbono was mixed with okpei. So here we have our goat meat. We spiced our goat meat with stock cubes, onion. As you can see, it's almost ready. I forgot to make a video from the start. I would have showed you everything that was used in here. So this is me checking up on our goat meat and it's ready to be worked on. So I scooped out some stock water from here. So I'll be pouring it into our bowl of ogbono. Then I mix. So this is our ogbono and oil mix together with the stock water, the meat stock. So this is it, almost forming like a paste. So believe me, when you try this method, you're going to love your ogbono. So right now we are adding our pepper. So this is a mix of yellow pepper and a little red pepper. A little red pepper. So I'm not going to be adding much pepper, so it's just little. So afterwards, I'll add in our stockfish into the goat meat to allow it marry themselves. So the next thing going in is the Kpanla fish. So we're going to mix everything so that they all marry themselves.
Wait now.
You give me that.
So this is it getting mixed so that they can marry themselves. So we're going to add a little bit of more liquid into the soup. Liquid that will be enough to cook the main ogbono soup. So we are adding our water in here. So this water will be enough to cook up the soup. So I'm adding a little bit of stock into it. So I'll cover the pot. So after adding the stock, I'll add my crayfish. Mix up and cover and allow it to steam for a bit. So I still took some more meat stock and blended the ogbono. So by the time I'm done mixing, I'll show you the final outcome of the ogbono paste. So our meat stock should be ready by now. So I just remember I allowed it steam for a bit. So here we have the ogbono. So see the final outcome of the ogbono before it will be poured into the pot. So right now we're going to be pouring it into the pot. So this is the ogbono going into the pot. So afterwards it will be stirred and covered. So this is it being stirred. So enjoy the view. So we'll be adding a bit of more palm oil into the soup. So cover and allow it to steam for a bit. So you can see it's already in the process of steaming. It's not yet steaming well, so we'll still cover it and allow it to steam a little bit more. So you can see that it's already marrying itself. They're marrying themselves. So I would still cover them. So we want to check if it's ready to wow. So right now, after stirring, we're going to be checking if our stock cubes is enough. If our stock cube is enough, so we are testing for salt and stock cube. So if it's not enough, we'll be adding more, but right now it's enough. So we'll be adding our Uziza leaves. So this is ogbono with Uziza leaves. So we'll be adding our Uziza leaves in here. So afterwards, we'll cover the pot and allow the Uziza go in, and we'll put off our fire. So here we have our kettle, our water, ready to be used to make our eba. So I'm going to be showing you the process of making the eba when we're about making it. So I'll stir the Uziza leaves and cover the pot. So our soup is ready. So time to dish our soup.